LeadPages versus Elementor. Which one is right for you? In this video, we'll break down the key differences so you can make an informed decision about which software will help you create high-converting landing pages that support your business goals. Stick around, because towards the end, we'll also share a recommendation that might be even better suited for your needs. First, let's dive into LeadPages. It's a popular choice for creating landing pages, especially for people who want an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. It's built specifically for high-conversion landing pages and lead generation. What sets LeadPages apart is its focus on simplicity. There are tons of ready-made templates, and you don't need to be a designer to create something that looks professional. Plus, LeadPages integrates well with a lot of third-party apps, which is a major plus if you already use platforms like MailChimp or HubSpot. Next thing, let's talk about Elementor. Now, this one's a heavy hitter in the world of WordPress users. It's an intuitive page builder plugin that allows you to create beautiful landing pages, blogs, or even full websites. Elementor has a free version, which already offers a lot of value, but if you're looking for advanced features, you'll need the Pro version. What Elementor offers over LeadPages is a deeper level of customization. You're working directly within WordPress, which gives you complete control over your site's design. However, it's not as beginner-friendly, so there's a bit of a learning curve. The third thing we need to consider is pricing. LeadPages is subscription-based, and the pricing is straightforward. There are 3 plans depending on the features you need, with the basic plan starting at $37 per month. Elementor, on the other hand, offers a free version, but if you want to unlock premium features, you'll be paying for either the Essential or Expert plans, ranging from $49 to $199 per year. While Elementor's free version is great for WordPress users, LeadPages offers better value for those specifically focused on landing page creation. Next thing to address is conversion features. LeadPages is designed with lead generation in mind. It is built in conversion tools like A/B testing, pop-ups, and alert bars that make it easy to test and optimize your landing pages. Elementor has some similar features, but requires more add-ons or a bit more setup to achieve the same results. Another consideration is templates. LeadPages offers hundreds of templates that you can customize to suit your needs. They focus on high-conversion designs specifically for lead gen. Elementor has a ton of templates as well, and while they're more flexible, you'll need to either design your own templates or install third-party add-ons to match LeadPages' ease of use in this area. Now let's look at support. LeadPages has a solid support team that's available via chat, email, and an extensive knowledge base. Elementor also provides decent support, but if you're using a free version, you're limited to their community forums unless you upgrade to Pro for priority support. Now, here's the twist. As much as both platforms have their strengths, neither is perfect for everyone. If you're looking for something that does landing pages, websites, and also offers advanced customization options, you might find that Insert Alternative Software here is a better fit for your needs. This tool offers an even more user-friendly interface, competitive pricing, and a lot more flexibility, especially for those who need a multifunctional solution. The best part? You can get an exclusive extended free trial for this alternative, giving you plenty of time to test out its features. And through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits not available anywhere else. But don't worry, we've also added some fantastic alternatives in the video description for you to explore, all of which offer free trials as well. So, while LeadPages and Elementor are both solid options, you might want to check out this new recommendation that could save you time and money. Check out the link in the description for your exclusive trial, and thank you for watching.